Leona, I can't believe it. This is it. The things I'm about to say have never come out of my mouth before. And that's because it was meant for you and no other woman. Leona, I've never loved another woman the way I love you. You're an angel without wings and a blessing that lasts forever. You are truly one of my greatest accomplishments. I will work hard to make you feel special every day, and I vow to love you unconditionally. From this day forward, I will be proud to be your husband. I love you.
Mr. Wong, Mrs. Wong, Sang, Steve, congratulations. Leona and Tony, you guys look so beautiful and so happy. I'm so honored to be here as part of your big day. Tony and Leona, I love you both tremendously. And I hope you love each other and continue to grow with each other and never stop loving each other the way you love each other today. So with that, I would like everyone to raise their glasses and help me congratulate Tony and Leona, Mr. and Mrs. Pananavan.
Steady hands and steady feet. Can you carry us to where we need to be? These plans, these quiet dreams.
Honestly, I've known Tone all my life. He's a brother to me. He's been nothing but better than anybody could be for me in my life, and he's been always loyal. My brother, ride or die. Love you, Tone. And congratulations to Leona and Tony.
You had my heart and love. You're all I need. Ooh, love. You're all I need. You're all I need. Every smile and photo.
This is the Leona I know. A strong, confident, leading woman who's not afraid of anything. And someone who has the courage to take on new adventures, even if she doesn't know the outcome. And if she takes a tumble or two, she's brave enough to do it all over again until she gets it right. Love you, Negra. Now both of you are about to embark on a new adventure, a new chapter in your lives, and create new fond memories to recap on. Congratulations, you two.
But our love is worth the war if you'll only surrender your heart. Why keep struggling so hard?
Today, I also choose to give myself to you in marriage. Though I can't promise that darkness will never appear in our lives, nor can I promise that the future will be perfect or that life will be easy. I can, however, promise you my loyalty, my respect, and my trust in you. I'll continue to dream with you, to build with you, and to walk by your side. But most importantly, I will continue to love you. From now on, I will not only be your friend, but your family and your lifetime partner. And I love you so much.
I swear that's where every hope can start, can start.
Now that you have stood before all of us and exchanged these vows and these rings and have agreed to be married, it is truly my great pleasure. It is my honor. It is my privilege to pronounce that you are husband and wife and husband together. So Tony, would you please kiss that gorgeous bride of yours.